How to open and repair an m4v or mp4 video file. Yesterday I was filming a scene with my phone, but suddenly the application crashed, and when I try to open the m4v generated, it says that is corrupted. I have downloaded the video files, around 36 MB, on my PC, and I am trying to open and repair it. Can you suggest me a way to do it? Mpeg info. As suggested in comments, I try check what Mpeg says me about that file with this command. Here it is, the result. Latest 2 lines are displayed in red.
It is possible to repair the broken mp4 or m4v file using untrunk. For this method you need another video file from the same device which isn't broken. How to install untrunk? For compilation you need a Linux installation, ideally Ubuntu, and basic ability to use a command line. You can also skip this part and run untrunk via Docker, see the answer below, if you have that. This is what to do. Install some prerequisite libraries with this command. Sudo apt get install libov format dev libov codec dev libov util dev. Get the source code for untrunk from the GitHub repo, choose one method. Wj https://github.com/ponkio/untrunk/archive/master.zip and amp unzip master.zip and amp cd untrunk master. Or git clone https://github.com/ponkio/untrunk.git and amp cd untrunk. Compile the source code using this command, all one line. G++ o untrunk file.cpp main.cpp track.cpp atom.cpp mp4.cpp l/user/local/lib lav format lav codec lav util. You can try skipping this step and using the ready provided executable, but it didn't work for me. Then you can actually fix the video. You need both the broken video in AMP, and example working video. How to fix the video. Find another working video, ideally from the same camera and preferably at least as long as the broken one, also the same resolution if possible. I believe this may help, though is not essential. Run this command in the folder where you have unzipped and compiled untrunk, but replace the /path/to/ bits with your 2 video files. Then it should churn away and hopefully produce a playable file called broken_video_fixed.m4v. That's it, you're done. VLC Media Player should now be able to play the file. However, it may be reporting the wrong length information. Untrunk tries to guess/work this out, but doesn't always get it right. To fix this, try re-encoding the video through another program. Thanks to SLHCK's comment for the suggestion to try untrunk. Many thanks to Federico Ponkio for coding untrunk in the first place, to solve this exact problem.
You can install Docker, available for all major operating systems, and run. The syntax is for bash under Linux or MacOS. Here, the reference file.mp4 and bad corrupt file.md5 must both be in your current directory, and the directory will be mounted to /volume in the Docker container. Read the other comments around for more in-depth explanation. This was the quickest for me.
If someone else stumbles on this, I also tried the app Sparrow was talking about, but it didn't work for me. See some bug reports I created in the developers repository. Maybe this was because it wasn't a mp4 file but a move file. What helped for me was this post, this URL. They linked to a program called HT Video Repair Utility, this URL, which is far cheaper than Treasured, this URL. They even pointed out that there was an earlier version of it, version 1.5, that didn't cost anything, this URL. I tried repairing the file using the version 1.5 and got it partly working. After re-encoding with FmpEg, got some errors there. I realized that a part of the audio was gone. In the logs, gladly the video repair utility has some. There was no further mentioning of audio after a given time. I'll take it as is.
At Sparrow, your current instructions did not work on my recent Ubuntu 16.10 installation. I got the following error while compiling untrunk. As explained in the untrunk repository, you might need to download libave separately rather than using the version in the Ubuntu repository. The following code worked for me. This created a file called brokenvideo_fixed.mp4 that worked for me. Thank you so much for initiating this thread.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.